Oh yeah, I have been waiting all day for these babies, yes. Just get a little butter. This is gonna be delicious. Oh man, my brand new white shirt. Ugh, no need to panic. I know just what to do to get this butter stain out. All I need is a clean cloth, dishwashing liquid, warm water, and a toothbrush. First, I'm blotting the butter stain with a clean cloth. Then, I'm adding the dishwashing liquid directly to the butter stain and rubbing it in with my fingers. Now, I'm spraying the butter stain with the warm water and using the toothbrush to gently scrub the stain away. The butter is now starting to disappear. Finally, I'm popping the shirt into the washer and dryer, and once that's done, my white shirt is looking nice and new again. If you liked this tutorial, there's so much more where that came from. Head over to ehow.com and make sure you hit that subscribe button before you go. See you guys in the next video.